Welcome to Mind Your Grammar. Let's welcome there, and there. There, and there are similar in that they are all pronounced the same and they all can be pronouns. But that is where their similarities end, because their meanings and spelling are completely different from one another. Let's start with there. There can play a few different roles within a sentence. For example, it can refer to a location, place, or point, both literally and conceptually. Let's take a look. Please put the book there. When will we be there? There they are. These examples refer to a particular location, place, or point. The following example, however, refers to conceptual location. You are always there for me. In this example, there is not referring to a physical location, place, or point, but an emotional and or mental location, place, or point. There can be used at the beginning of a sentence when the subject is after the verb. For example, there are many flowers in the garden. Furthermore, there is used when to be verbs are used at the beginning of a sentence. Let's look at this example. Are there a lot of flowers in the garden? There is used for things referred to previously. For example, our dogs love their new treats. There, in this sentence, refers back to dogs. Another example, they gave their best efforts to complete the job on time. In this sentence, there refers back to they. There is a contraction of they are. If they are can be used in a sentence, then there can be used in its place. For example, they are eating breakfast. This can become they're eating breakfast. Let's look at another example. Before they leave, they are going to visit the museum. This can become before they leave, they're going to visit the museum. This sentence has all three theirs in it. They're going to buy their clothes there. The first there is a contraction of they are. The second there refers back to the first there. And the third there refers to a particular location, place, or point. A helpful tip for when you are confused about which there to use in a sentence is by using the process of elimination. If you are not using a contraction for they are or referring back to things, then there is the appropriate option. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And remember, mind your grammar.